If you want to stop recurring charges on Spotify, follow these simple steps to cancel your subscription. This guide will help you manage your account effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to your plan. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Your Plan. Click on it to view details about your current subscription and payment information. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Click on Change or Cancel and then select Cancel Premium. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email from Spotify. Check your email to ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can stop any recurring charges on your Spotify account. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Spotify's customer support for assistance.